How's it going, everyone? The Spyder taillights came in.
I'm gonna go ahead and review those, show you how to install them. Take it off my stock ones. I'm gonna put on these new ones. We'll see the difference in comparison. I'll excuse the mess in here, but just go ahead and start removing all the carpet backing, because that's how you're gonna get to the tail light. And then for the center garnish, that's up top here. So we'll deal with that last. We're gonna go for the side ones first.
All right, everyone. First side is out. So basically, show you, if you've seen in the time lapse, it's 1, 2, 3 bolts. Well, 4 actually. There's one right back there, right there. Once you unscrew those bolts, the 3 of them are, one's a 10 millimeter and the others are 8 millimeters. So once you take those out, it comes right out, no problem. So if you look into the back of the Spyder taillights, it's supposed to be just a 1-for-1 swap, even though it's LED. The plug, that's the one you plug in, it's the one you match up with. After that, you should be all good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there and see how well it measures up. So in comparison so far, I definitely like the way the Spyder taillights look compared to the stock ones. You can kind of just see how dated it is. I mean, obviously it's a 90s vehicle, but you can just see how dated it is compared to just some LEDs with a clear lens. Like, it makes a heck of a difference. Well, let's hurry up and get the rest of it installed. Alright, so now that both taillights are in, it's time to go ahead and do the center garnish. It's going to be a couple more bolts than the taillights are, but that's okay. It's all pretty simple. Take out the center garnish. I got a part of it out. So you do have bolt here. You got to take out the ones for the lock here. Oh, sorry, bad camera angles. Hold on one second. So there's a bolt here, 3 here. That's the last one I got to take out. One more here and here. Bolts in the way here and here. And then once I get this one out, I should just be able to pull it off. And as I predicted, pops right off. Boom, there it is. This will be for sale too, if anybody wants to buy the OEM center garnish and tail lights. Boom, still got the original Nissan emblem and all that. All right, time to put in the Spyder center garnish. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. All installed. Looks really good, if you ask me. Definitely changes the whole look of the car, especially since I just painted the wheels white, going with that whole white, black, and red theme going on. I think it's coming together real nice. I will show you what it looks like in a second with the taillights on and stuff. Currently, the other side of the wheels are getting painted, so excuse that, but they'll be on in a second. There it is with the flashers on. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with the brake in a second. I see you. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I think everything looks great. I think it gives the car a way better look. It's all coming together now. Just definitely need some paint and finish off on the tune. So stay tuned for all that. Please like, subscribe, share if you can, help your boy out.